Good day to you. It is Thursday today. The time's been going by so quickly. It's another day back on Bab. Still name in progress, I'm not sure. And you gotta stay here, baby. Leela's not ready to be introduced to the boatyard as yet, and I need to focus on cleaning her. So, the goal today is I'm going to be scrubbing the cockpit and the balcony, and we're going to be getting the jet wash on her. So very, very exciting today. And yeah, and then we'll come back. I'm going to do a lot of work, and I've just created a studio space, so I can't wait to show you and show you what I've been working on. So you're going to be seeing all the latest paintings, and you can nab whichever one you want. Leela's not very happy about being left behind for a couple hours. It's just the way the cookie crumbles at the moment, Belle. But yeah, super excited. These are going to be the small achievable tasks. I haven't been able. My original goal was to go down once every other day, but actually at the moment I've been going down like the past couple of weeks. It's just been once a week because I've been working on this publishing thing. Which, oh god, I wish I could tell you about it, but but it's really exciting. So yeah, without further ado, let's get back to the boat. So exciting. All the best, bye. Right, we're going to jet wash it. I'm going to get on the roof and then try and clean the balcony and the cockpit that way. It might be a bit easier. And we've got some new doors right here, so I'm really excited about painting. And yeah, it should be good. I'm not going to replace the windows. I think they're okay. I might replace the seal. Who knows? And it's just one step at a time. Make it all manageable. Let's crack on. Got my solar panels, my steering wheel. Might need a dusting.
The new cleaning lady down at the wharf. Being Liz!
It's pretty damn satisfying to see the difference. I've just been jet washing the cockpit, and I'm a right mess, but it's so cool. I've spent the past 2 hours cleaning, and yeah, it's just great. Like, muck has just come off, and I just can't wait to move on her. I want it to move quicker now. So, alright, let's finish off the cockpit. Look at the difference. Isn't she beautiful? Cleanest she's probably been in years. So I'm hoping for this part. We've got a crack here, but I kind of think it'd be nice if we had something wooden built. I think you could just replace it, like some nice wooden decking, and there'll be like a canopy here, somewhere really cool to sit. And I actually found out today this is not 32 foot, she's 34 foot. And what I noticed about, see, with Papagino and cockpit, the cockpit is an amazing place because everyone's there. However, I felt like I didn't use much of the space, so I didn't use the aft cabin, then there's cockpit, and then there's salon, and then my cabin. Whereas this, you have cockpit and then living area, which is amazing. And we have this lovely little section at the bow. I'm just feeling really excited about the future, and yeah, just learning a lot more, and it feels a lot more manageable as well. Like, I don't feel overwhelmed. Yeah, I'm gonna crack on again. I need a beer. Here she is after being jet washed. You won't believe how much dirt was on her. Well, maybe you will believe. You have seen the pictures. It took about 3-4 hours, and then we have this side. I'm going to quickly show you the bow. Oh, please don't die, Liz. so much better. Yeah, good. I'm pretty I deserve a beer. But yeah, that's the jet wash job done. So the goals were, wow, clean the bow, clean the cockpit, jet wash, all of her. I'm really happy. Job of the day done.
You got something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own will. It's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now. A breeze in my ear, 'cause you know I cannot say no to you. Feeling like home.
Okay, I'm knackered. I'm going home now. Really excited about what we're going to do. So all the clean's been done, so now it's about insulating, doing the floor and all that, and getting the wiring done. And there's such cool people here, and we're going to get done. Yes! Yay! So really glad that work got to be done, and it's made a huge difference. The next stage that we're going to do, we're going to be spray foaming the interior for the insulation. And then we're going to be doing the paneling and doing the electricity. And I've got John's son Chris, who's going to be helping me do it, which is really awesome. And I'm choosing efficiency over ego with this, because if I do it all on my own, then it puts me back some time, and I want to get out of the flat as soon as possible. Although I'm quite enjoying the flat at the moment, because it's, you know, it's come to autumn now and it's nice and cosy, and I've got a really nice studio space set up at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to be working really hard and getting some more artwork up to fund the project really. Yeah, I feel really good and excited. Yeah, feels right.